Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give a step-by-step guide on how to get Fitbit Premium in 2025. The first thing you need to do is open the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Fitbit app installed on your compatible smartphone or tablet, and that you are logged in using your Google account, as Fitbit accounts are being transitioned to Google accounts in 2025. Next, you have to navigate to Premium. You see the Premium tab located at the bottom navigation bar, so you tap on it, and then you will see an overview of Fitbit Premium features and available subscription plans. We have the monthly or the annual plan. There will also be an offer for a free trial if you are eligible, that is with a new device purchase or if you are a new or returning subscriber. Then once you see all those, you just choose the subscription plan you want, and then you subscribe. So follow the on-screen instructions to complete the subscription process. It will involve confirming your payment details through your device app store, and then once subscription is confirmed, your Fitbit Premium membership will be active and you can immediately access all premium features within the Fitbit app. Hope you found this video helpful.